Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your phone settings to see if 5 GHz Wi-Fi is listed, and check the router to ensure it broadcasts a 5 GHz SSID. Once done, update the phone OS and Wi-Fi firmware so drivers support newer bands. Make sure you have the router admin login and both SSIDs and passwords on hand. This saves time, because you will switch bands and possibly rename SSIDs. Don't skip this step. Compatibility prevents wasted effort later. You log into the router admin page, enable the 5 GHz band, and pick a lower channel like 36 to 48 for best compatibility with older phones. Then create a distinct SSID for the 5 GHz network and secure it with WPA2 or WPA3 and a strong password. Once configured, disable band steering so the phone can select the 5 GHz network manually. If the phone prompts, forget the old network and then join the new 5 GHz SSID. You now configure the phone. Forget the old Wi-Fi network and connect to the 5 GHz SSID using the password you set. If the 5 GHz option doesn't appear, reboot the phone and router, update drivers, and try safe mode to rule out apps blocking Wi-Fi. If the phone hardware truly lacks 5 GHz support, consider a compatible USB Wi-Fi adapter or a wireless repeater that translates to 4 GHz to 5 GHz. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm another device can join the 5 GHz network to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.